Okay, here's 3 easy way how to trim and cut video in Premiere Pro.
First way to trim your video is just to grab beginning or the end of the video and move it toward the center. You'll notice the small red icon to pop it when it's ready to do this. This way you can edit just ends of a video and you cannot do much with it. If you wanna remove piece of video in the middle, for this you can use a razor tool by clicking on it or by using keyboard shortcut. Press letter C and you can then choose where you wanna cut. You can make cut wherever you want with this tool. Another way, and much faster than this, is by selecting the part of the video that you wanna cut by moving the timeline slider to the place where you wanna cut it, and then just press Ctrl K on your keyboard and that's it.